Dude, I need to get something that like makes me less greasy. I cannot stop burping right now. I don't know what's going on with me. I can't stop burping. But I just feel like I need to burp. So I'm just getting them out. But I'm just chilling, singing. What is? Aha, that's what I was looking for. Oh my gosh, they just won't stop coming out. I'm so sorry. So does everyone like, did you just burp? How about sorry. Say excuse you. Excuse me.